into my eyes and show me your adventure.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a wall hanging. So for making a wall hanging, the things you need is a hot glue gun, 3 colored bangle. I'm taking white and red. White I'm taking 2 color. See, white I have taken 2, and the dark color I'm taking red. You can take black, maroon, etc. And you need a scissor, a keychain. This I made by using beads and a thread. And you need 3 colored glitter sheet. I'm taking golden, and I made a swastika at the back, and I made a diamond shape in the blue color. Let's start. So I have got the swastika and the diamond. So now we have to take the wire and the bangles. So first, take the end of the wire and insert it to the bangle. So by one we have to insert all the bangles together. So now you can see that I have put the wire and I have cut the glitter sheet into swastika. Now first we have to place this here and flip it over. After that we have to take hot glue. And put some hot glue here. And then we have to take a piece of glitter sheet and place it here so that the wire doesn't move. At the same way we are doing more. Remember to be careful. I'm going to put the second one here. So the third one. Hot glue. So have completed this. So guys, in the same way I have pasted the diamond which I have cut from the blue glitter sheet. So now we have to paste this one in here, but first we have to fold this one. Fold like this and get a twist. After doing it, you have to put hot glue here and paste it here. So let's put the hot glue. Here I'm putting the hot glue. Then we have to paste it here. Sorry. Remember to put a plastic so that your hands should be safe. See? I put this also. And now I'm going to tell the last step. So let me tell you. So you have to take a keychain. You have to take a keychain and we have to place it here. The end, insert it, and we have to get a fold. Then we are gonna twist it so that it doesn't move. So here we have completed making this cute wall hanging. So hope you like my craft, and this time I'm aiming 30 likes, and if you like the video, comment me down that what video should I make the next. So bye friends, meet you in my next video.
Look into my eyes and show